Here are the top 10 strangest flowers in the world. 10. Bat flower. Looks like a black bat. 9. Monkey face orchid. Flower shaped like a monkey face. 8. Hooker's lips. Bright red lip-shaped bloom. 7. Jade vine. Turquoise claw-shaped flowers. 6. Parrot flower. Looks like a flying parrot. 5. Naked man orchid. Resembles tiny human figures. 4. Chocolate cosmos. Smells like chocolate. 3. Corpse flower. Largest bloom. Smells terrible. 2. Dancing girl's orchid. Looks like tiny dancers. 1. Bee orchid. Mimics an actual bee. Flowers can be just as strange as any creature.